Did you know that effective task assignment can skyrocket your team's productivity? In this video, we'll explore how administrators can leverage BoldTrail to streamline task management and boost efficiency. First, let's dive into setting manual reminders for agents. This simple step ensures no task is overlooked, keeping your team on track and focused. Watch as we demonstrate task assignment in BoldTrail. See how easy it is to assign tasks and keep your team organized and efficient. Smart campaigns automate task reminders, freeing up your time for more strategic work. Learn how to set up campaigns for new leads and follow-ups effortlessly. Discover tips for optimizing campaign settings. Fine-tuning these settings can significantly enhance your team's responsiveness and client satisfaction. Let's recap. We've covered manual reminders, smart campaigns, and task assignment in BoldTrail. Effective task management boosts agent performance and client satisfaction. Start assigning tasks today to enhance your team's efficiency. By taking this step, you'll transform your workflow and achieve greater success. Let's get started. Please scroll down to see the step-by-step guide below.